the Congress party and the opposition has been saying what for the last 3 weeks. We have questions on behalf of the people of this country, and we want those questions answered, right? That's your position. Now, if the government is calling an all-party meeting, specifically to have the opposition's questions answered, why should the TMC say we are not coming? Why should the leader of opposition say मैं नहीं आऊँगा?
Not a single question was answered. Our first question, now let me ask these questions right here. Your viewers have a right to know what our questions are. Our question, why did the Prime Minister have to go running to Israel when everybody in the world knew that there is a war coming? Why do you have to stand there? I stand with Israel. Why do you have to stand with Israel? For that Nakli medal that they gave him. Believe me, that medal did not exist. And after the Prime Minister comes back, that medal will not exist. This was a made for Modi medal. आप वो medal लेने चले गए साहब इजराइल क्यों गए? Who asked you to go there?
अरे, but why not?
Why should you take a stand?
No, but should prime ministers not travel to different countries on
this
diplomatic visits?
This Prime Minister has an amazing track record. He went to Japan. Within 24 hours, the Japanese Prime Minister had to resign. He goes to Israel. Within 48 hours, there is a war. Illegal war.
अरे तो उनकी गलती थोड़ी ना है.
गलती ये है साहब कि आप सीधे खड़े रहिए. आप मत झुकिए ईरान की तरफ. हम नहीं कह रहे आप ईरान की तरफ झुकिए. सीधे तो खड़े रहिए. नियम आधारित व्यवस्था, रूल्स बेस्ड ऑर्डर के साथ तो खड़े रहिए. कुछ सिद्धांतों पर तो खड़े रहिए. That's what we've been asking Prime Minister to do. That's what India has always done.
But our principle and our siddhant is non-alignment, which the Prime Minister has displayed.
I stand with Israel is not non-alignment, madam.
That was before the war.
That was just 48 hours before the war.
But did he know the war was breaking out?
Okay, now, yes, good question. Ayatollah Khamenei gets assassinated. A non-aligned country, a Prime Minister of a non-aligned country, should at least condemn that killing, should at least condole that killing. Did you hear the Prime Minister condole or condemn this assassination of a head of state? What non-alignment are you talking about?
How many countries around the world condemned the assassination of Ayatollah Khamenei?
We are talking about India, which is non-aligned according to you. And a lot of countries did condemn, by the way. Even Pakistan condemned.
Acha. So the government, see, I'm not a spokesperson for the government.
Well, I'm sure you're not.
But this is what the government's point of view is when the opposition raises this question. They simply say, when the Iranian embassy initiated the entire condolence book, भाई हम तो पहले दिन पहुंच गए साइन करने.
अरे साहब, मलेशिया में बस एक्सीडेंट होता है, प्रधानमंत्री ट्वीट कर देते हैं. इंतजार नहीं करते मलेशिया की एम्बेसी कोई बुक खोलेगी. दिस इज द हेड ऑफ द स्टेट.